I'm gonna keep repurchasing. I like that I do these monthly now because it's better. These were a win. Holy crap, how is it almost March? What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manners and this is my channel. We talk about makeup, skincare, sometimes nail care, the occasional unboxing, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, make sure you stick around. Today we are gonna do some trash talk. We're gonna talk about all the empties I have from the month of February. Holy crap, how is it almost March? So I have kept all of my beauty related empties for the month of February, and I must say that I am really proud of myself. I used a lot of stuff, and I find documenting it this way is a very good way to keep myself accountable, and it's a good way to do mini reviews. Without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. I like to start these videos off with any of the sheet masks that I used. Last month, I don't think I even had any because I just wasn't using sheet masks in January. Or face masks in general. I did use this Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. I was sent a couple samples of these. I used it. I don't have any real complaints. One package is usually good for one use. I was happy with the way my skin looked after. I do have one more, so you'll probably see it in an upcoming video. But for the most part, I had no real complaints with this product. I do have some other masks here. I finished up this purifying mud face mask made with volcanic ash and blue-green algae. This is the Life brand. So you can only buy this in Canada from Shoppers Drug Mart, I do believe, or Loblaws. It is a very nice mask. I bought a whole bunch of these at the beginning of the month, and I'm very happy I did. I do have a couple that I'm gonna do some dedicated mask reviews. Please let me know in the comments below if you're interested in that, and I will get those out to you as soon as I can. Overall, I was able to use this 3 times. It's a nice mud mask. It didn't irritate my skin. I liked it. Then I also did use 2 of these Purely's Coconut and Rice Nourishing Sheet Masks. These are so nice. I've been having really weird hormonal acne lately, and these have been helping a lot. They're just, like it says, very soothing. My skin, when it's inflamed, this seems to help take down some of the inflammation, and I love Purely's as a brand to begin with, so these were a win. I will definitely purchase more masks from Purely's in the future. I do still have some to work through, and I have lots of masks I'm working on right now. This is another great mask. I actually filmed a video. I'm hoping you will have seen it by the time you see this video. This is the Pink Rose Clay Mask from Seventh Heaven Beauty. It's a favorite of mine. I have more. I will replace it when I run out. It's a really good mask. It really helps when my face is inflamed, actually. The same as the Purely's mask, this just helps calm my skin. Rose is very good for your skin to begin with, so I really like these masks. Another rose mask. I used the British Rose Hydrating Mask. These are from that brand right there. I don't know how to say that. This was sent to me in an Ipsy. I liked it. I don't know if I would ever repurchase this. I had absolutely no complaints though. It didn't irritate my skin, and it seemed to work out well. I have another one from the same brand, a shea butter one, that I still have to use because I had a couple from a few Ipsies. But overall, pretty good. And I really like these masks from OK Beauty. This was the Intense Hydration Snail Sheet Mask. My friend Laura from Sub Boxes and Cocktails, actually I guess she's changed her name now to just Laura Nicholson on YouTube. She sent me a package in the summer of a whole bunch of goodies, and she was so wonderful to send me some of those masks. I really like them. They're some of my favorites. I think I still have one left, so you'll probably see that in a future video. But overall, really like that mask. I did also finish this mask from Spascriptions. This is the black mask peel off with natural charcoal powder. It's supposed to minimize and smooth and strengthen. It's a 30-minute facial therapy. I really didn't love this mask at all. I felt like it never fully dried no matter how long I left it on. If there were any spots that it didn't fully dry and it would leave like a weird residue on your skin. I just wasn't really a fan. I had to force myself to finish it. We did it. It was only $1, so I'm not that upset. I did pick this up from Shop Miss A in the summer. I have other black masks that I like better, so I definitely just won't repurchase that. I did also use this Ultra Repair Cream. I had a little sample packet. This is from First Aid Beauty. It was nice. There was no real wow factor. I don't know if I would purchase a full size. At least now that I have tried the sample size, I would perhaps be a little bit more likely to. I don't have super dry skin. I tend to be a little bit more on the oily side. So I don't know if I would need to repurchase that. I finished 2 cleansers. I used up this cleanser. This is from Yvette. This is the Fresh Clean Coconut Mild Foaming Cleanser. This is so nice. I may look into a full size because this was just such a nice cleanser. I really, really, really liked it. And then this is just one of those products that I always have in my collection. This is from Life brand, the Clear Action Daily Pore Cleanser. It is very affordable. It's very effective. My skin looks great when I use it. It does have a little bit of exfoliation. It is an exfoliating cleanser. It has gentle silica scrubbing beads, and it is oil-free. I enjoy this. I will probably purchase another one. However, right now I have a few different cleansers on the go, so I'm not going to repurchase it right now. I'm actually working really hard to work through a cleanser before I start another one, because if I don't do that, then I end up with like 6 on the go, and then I become overwhelmed, and then it's harder to finish things like that. I'm trying really hard to just stay consistent with what I've been doing. So this is a win, and I will definitely repurchase that. I did finish this. Is the Deep Cleanser from Tatcha. I ordered this in the summer. It's very nice. A daily oil-free gel cleanser with a natural fruit exfoliant for normal to oily skin. It took me, there's a lot in here. This is 50 milliliters. This lasted me a really long time because I tried to focus on it. I don't know. It's a very expensive cleanser. I don't think I'd ever repurchase it. However, the reason I have this is because I wanted a full size of the water cream, and this came with it. So it was kind of like a duo, and then it came with a mini peony cream from Tatcha as well, and it was from Sephora. That would probably be the only way I would ever repurchase this, is if I was to get it in a kit. It's very expensive, very expensive. Tatcha is an expensive brand. However, they make very good products. I love the water cream. $70 Canadian. I don't care. I'm gonna keep repurchasing it. I finished up this sample serum that I was sent from, I think, Top Box. This was the Derma E Skin Restore Advanced Peptide and Collagen Serum. It's 100% vegan. It's cruelty-free. Very nice trial size. That's the pump there. I liked the packaging. I really love getting samples from Derma E because it's a really nice way to see if I like their products. I am planning on making a purchase from the brand website very soon, and I'm thinking I might repurchase this. If I don't repurchase this when I make that order, I might think about doing it in the future. I finished my Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I love this stuff. It smells so good. It's expensive. It's not really that cheap. This cost me $20, and really there's nothing too wow-worthy about this, but the smell, oh, it smells so good. I probably won't repurchase this. This is one of those splurge items that I have purchased a few of them. I've never gone for the full size, but this is the medium size. It's really nice, but I don't notice anything spectacular happen to my skin when I use it, if that makes sense. And this is the last skincare item. This is the Pore Minimizing Serum from Dewy Tree. This was a sample size. It's got a weird dropper though. Never really worked right. It's small. It was effective. It wasn't really, there was nothing special about it. Yeah, it minimized my pores. It was okay. And this is the last skincare item, and then the rest is makeup. I'm so happy. I did finish up this Ice Ceramide Moisture Cream from Sunday Riley. I was sent this one in an Ipsy. I do have a few more of them that Laura sent me as well, but it's a nice cream. It's very thick and sticky though. I don't know what it is about the consistency. I feel like I have to use more of it than I would with other moisturizers. Why is that? Please tell me if you know, because I don't think I know enough about skincare to truly give an honest assessment on that either. All I know is everybody says Sunday Riley is really good, including Laura. All right, so this is a nail product that I am done with. It's the Ridge Filling Base by Vitree. It's kind of like all crusted up now, and it's gross. I'm gonna get rid of it because I do have some other nail bases. I wish I could have got through this, but it's like so thick and goopy and like it's hardening. It was a really nice base. However, I don't think I'm gonna repurchase it. I like my ridge filler from Essie a lot more, and recently I was able to pick up 2 really nice base coats from Q-Tex from the dollar store, so hopefully you'll see those in some videos. But I am happy to finish this, but it is definitely going in the garbage. My favorite. Why is this? It's so funny because it like looks like it's full, but it's so empty. I tried so hard to to get any more out of this. This is the Hydrate and Smooth Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. It is a favorite. I love this. I can't wait to get another one of these. I currently do have the matte one. However, this one's my favorite. I'm really glad I was able to finish that up. And last but not least, I did finish this 24-hour brow setting gel from Benefit. This is the Clear Brow Gel. I am so happy to see this as an empty, and a little bit sad at the same time. I might repurchase this in the future, but for now I do have my Essence Brow Gel that is wow worthy, pretty much as good as this. Literally a fraction of the cost. Like it's like $2.99 Canadian or something for the Essence one. So I am really happy that I was able to use this. I got this in an Ipsy, I think. And that is it. Let me know in the comments below what you think of all of my empties and my trash talk today. I hope that you are all doing wonderful and that you are all staying safe, you are staying warm, and that you are having a great day. Please leave me a comment down below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel if you are interested in this type of content. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and bye for now. First one I will start with, but